Bless up in the morning, the viewers, the subs. How you all doing? You know, it's Links 007T to the V. Trust and hope that you guys are doing fine, keeping safe, and in good health. So, what I want to talk about on the program this morning is a very sad news that hit social media on Sunday morning, which would have been yesterday, and is that popular social media personality and vlogger who goes by the name Leon McNeil, more popularly known as Legates TV, was actually shot while he was at a party. Now, details surrounding the incident is very sketchy at this time, but according to police report, he was actually shot while he was at the party. So the police said that at around 8:55 p.m. he was at a party when he was pounced upon by a number of individuals who opened fire, hitting him multiple times. The police have also stated that he was not the only one that was shot while at that place. However, the police believe that he was not the intended target and he was just at the wrong place at the wrong time. So this individual, I don't know him personally, however I've seen his work and I've been following him on social media for some time now, and I can tell that he was on the rise to stardom. I first started watching him when he did the coverage on the family of 5 that was viciously taken out in Cocoa Peace, Clarendon, and that's when I started to watch his platform, and I can tell you he was on the rise to stardom because I've watched a number of his clips, and I can tell you that this individual seemed as if he was an inspiration for many, and he was just basically doing his thing and trying just to be a positive role model in society. So it's very unfortunate to see what transpired to this individual, and he was just 36 years old, and I was told that he have a young child that was actually not that old, and this was one of those situations that we have looked in, and I can tell you just before he's lost his life, he was actually speaking out about the crime rate in Jamaica and how so many things are just happening as relates to crime and violence. And then to see that just hours after he fell victim to the same thing that he was actually speaking about is just a very unfortunate situation to have occurred. So a number of people have took to social media just in order to weigh in on the whole entire issue of what took place, including social media vlogger L.A. Lewis as well, who was a very close friend to this individual as well. L.A. Lewis expressed shock at what transpired there, and a number of people are still in total shock and disbelief about what actually happened to this individual, because no one did not expect such a thing to have happened to this individual, considering that he was not a violence producer, he was just a law-abiding citizen of Jamaica, and look what happened to him. I can tell you, even now I am in total awe about the whole entire thing that went down, because it's just one of those situations that we have looked into over and over again, and the spiraling crime rate that is crippling our country. And to see that this individual, he was just at a recreational activity, doing his thing, enjoying his life, and then he met his demise in such an unfortunate way is a very sad situation to even be reporting on. Because yesterday morning when I woke up and I saw the news, trust me, I could not believe what I saw on social media. I just had to wait for the confirmation from those that would have been on site in order to produce a proper report, and also to get the police report about what transpired, because I could not come to terms with what transpired to this individual. Such a bright spark in the social media world, and I've just watched a number of his videos that he did recently, even covering the funeral service of dancehall recording artist Merciless would have been one of his latest work. And it's just one of those situations that is very unfortunate and very sad. But we just want to wish his family all the best and hope that they do find the courage to go through, because this is going to be a difficult time for them. Alright, this is where we're going to leave this report. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV. Peace out and bless.